Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a few ways that you can style your low bun. Just a few ways you can really mix it up. I'm not going to make this intro very long, so we're just going to jump straight into it. First thing is my hair is already in a low bun, just slicked down already, and I literally just combed my hair out. It was in a braid. I just combed it out. I'm gonna apply some moisturizer. I'm gonna use the Aura S moisturizer. Let me see this moisturizer because it's not water based, so it's not gonna revert my hair back because I don't really want my hair to be curly. I just feel like this style's a lot easier in if your hair's blowing out. It doesn't have to be, but just for me anyways. Guys, so those are literally just some quick ideas on how you can style your low bun differently. These are things that we do on a daily basis, and this is pretty much all I've been doing lately. This is how I've been rocking my hair, but sometimes it's just nice to switch it up here and there, even if it's just a small detail. Anyways, if you did like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate it if you did go ahead and support your girl. You know what I mean? As usual, thank you so much for watching. Honestly, I really appreciate the love, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.